Hey guys, it's Brad Bandit Park. I know, it's been too long since I've been back on here. So I'm coming back at you with a new video series for you guys at home who struggle with space. So this is the space we've got here. This is where we're going to be filming the workout. So a little new workout series, small space bootcamp workouts. Okay. So how we're going to do it, we're going to keep it to boxing rounds. It's going to be a full body weight workout as it always is. Got a piece of paper here with the exercises on. So what's going to happen is we're going to work for a 2-minute round, non-stop. So it's going to be like an amateur boxing round. It's going to be broken into 4 segments. So we're going to do 30 seconds of 4 different exercises in 2 minutes with a minute rest times 4 rounds. Yeah. But before we start. So yeah, it's a 13-minute workout, so there's no excuse to do this. No excuse if you've got no space at home, because I'm going to show you now. I'm going to tell you a joke before we start, because at the bootcamp that I run face-to-face here in Swaddling Coat, we always have a joke at the start of the session. What it is because apparently according to like statistics, adults only laugh like twice a day. So we do it as a bit of fun. So just to help you ease up a little bit, get ready for the workout, not feel so tense, I'm going to tell you a joke. Okay, so here's this week's joke. What's a pirate's favourite exercise? A plank. But yeah. So it's just going to be a little fun like that. I've got my AirPods in. The only reason because I want a little bit of music in my ear when I'm doing some of the workouts. Can't put music on YouTube. And I suggest as well, guys, if you're watching this on YouTube and you're following along, it is a follow along workout. Put some music on in the background. Put my voice a little bit higher so you can listen. I'm going to pop a clock in the corner anyway for this video to show you how long left we've got of the exercise. And I'm going to put a link in the description below for you to go and have a warm up. And I think that's it. We're going to get ready to go. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Happy to be back and get this workout series going. I'm sorry, it's been too long. Let's do it. Let's get ready. Help grab me a piece of paper. So there's only 4 exercises. I'm going to jump straight in when the clock goes, tell you what they are. First one's sprints, nice and easy on the spot. Let's get some dramatic lighting, so you can see. Okay, 10 seconds we're going. Nice and warm now, just doing a little warm up. So we're going into those sprints. Nice light on the toes, using the arms with the knee. Let's go. As high as the hips. Let's get us in then. Ready for this workout. Starting nice with the sprint. Nice high knees. Big deep breaths. Notice I'm using the arms as well, like driving the arms. Keep pushing, keep pushing. 10 seconds to go on the clock. We're going straight into floor to sky jumps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight in. So flat to floor, jump up, and then a jump. Flat to floor, up, jump. Flat, boom. Make sure you let your chest touch the floor each time and jump nice and high. Keep pushing, 9 seconds to go. We're going straight to a sumo hold. 3, 2, 1. Then into the sumo hold. Like an active rest, it's going to burn the legs. We're going to keep pushing through. It's 2 minutes of tough rounds. But they're beneficial. Simple but effective, 10 seconds. Then into a 2-step dash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're going to 2 steps forward, touch, 2 steps back, touch. By being light on the toes and being nice and fast. You're going to feel those legs burning after those sumo holds now. This is the last 30 seconds of the round. Come on guys, that's it, you've got it, you've got it, that's it. 5 seconds, then we have a minute rest. Ta. Grab a drink. Nice big rest now, then you're gonna get your breath back. Big deep breaths in the nose, out through the mouth. There's round 1 done. Do 4 rounds of these with a finisher. Whew. That's it, just keep breathing. So you can see, it's quite heavy on the legs, this workout. But, see I'm out of breath, you're out of breath. We've only got this small space and only 13 minutes. It's bang on what we need. Small, at home, boot camp workouts. So, 10 seconds time, guys, we're jumping in. Straight in with the sprints again. Now we know what's coming. Let's put it in. 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's it, the quads can feel tight. Stay light. So keep that head high so you can keep breathing. So keep breathing. 10 seconds to go. Then into the floor to sky jumps. 2, 1. Sit we're straight down. It's getting tough. So stay with me. So sort of line to the floor, dead weight, and jumping up. So push the dead weight of the body through those arms. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Jump up, sumo hold. This is where it's going to be tough. You're out of breath. You need that mental attitude to push through it. So these workouts are going to be good for physical strength and mental strength. Yeah. 10 seconds then, guys, come on. Let's do this, come on. It's burning. Whew. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2-step dash. Come on. Minute rest after this one, guys, come on. Gonna feel that burn. Come on, I can feel the burn. That's it. Stay nice and fast. Light on the toes. Keep breathing. Boom, boom. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. 10 seconds. That's it. Keep going, keep going. On the toes. Keep pushing, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute rest. Back to your corner. 2 rounds in. Ask yourself, are you working hard enough? Are you winning these rounds if you was against your opponent? So that's what the programming is towards boxing rounds. 30 seconds into round 3. That's it, let's keep pushing. 20 seconds, shake it out. Do my famous thing as always, too busy trying to get on the camera. Forgot my drink. 10 seconds, we're going with the sprints then. Round 3. Let's go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yes, I can feel those quads. That's it. Let's start off with a bang. Get these videos out. These small bootcamp videos out once a week for you guys. 3, 4, 4, 8 was a 3, we've got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Floor to sky jumps. Dead weight to the floor. Push through with the arms. Jump up with those legs. That's it. That's it, up and down. Some of the exercises are going to be hard to see, unfortunately, because I can't go side on. There's a space. But all I'm doing is just lying. Dead weight to the floor. 2, 1. Jump up. The grueler. The sumo hold. So with the sumo hold, want hips to be slightly around in line with your knees. Not too deep because that's too easy. One up, where you can feel the grit, feel the bite, feel the burn. 5 seconds, we're going into these. 2-step dashes, 2, 1. Okay, we're in on those tight legs. Put it into the end of round 3. Are you winning? If not, let's find it. Come on. So keep breathing. Stay on those toes. So keep those shoulders back. Let the legs do the work, so bring your hand down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute rest. Grab a drink. 1 round to go of the fight. I hope the camera angle was okay. Let me know if it's not. So yeah, just take your time now to chill, relax. Don't sit down, stay up, kick your legs off, keep breathing. 20 seconds. Last time on all these exercises. Last round. 10 seconds, we start with a sprint. Big sprint for the finish. Stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go. That's it. We're light on the toes. We're doing this together. Come on. We're a team here. Taking this workout together. Ten seconds. Come on, let's try and build up a little bit higher. A bit faster. 5 seconds. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Floor to sky jumps. Down. Big jump. So use the power of those legs. That's it, 10 seconds. Step it down, jump it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight in. Feel the bite. So I like to keep my hands out. So it brings my shoulders back, so we're not leaning like that. It's the bum that brings it down. You can notice I'm getting tired, I'm slowly coming up. Just try and grit through it, push through it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into the 2-step dash. That's it, on the toes. Push it through. That's it, that's it. Keep going, keep going. Stay with me. Round number 4, nearly done. It's intense, it's short, but it's intense because we're constant, which is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No shame in being tired, means you put the work in. Next round is the finisher. 60 seconds of air squats. What I want you to do is count how many you've done. We're gonna use that as like a little fitness test to see how far we've come. I'm not looking forward to this. 60 seconds, as many as you can. I'm gonna count mine, but not out loud because we're not gonna be together. You might be faster than me, vice versa. So keeping my head, I'll tell you then how many I did. I'm not expecting loads, I haven't done much in a while. I've been too busy doing the running the boot camp, but no excuses. We want the hips to come underneath the knees, guys, for these, yeah? Nice and deep. 2, 1. 60 seconds, as many as you can. Let's go. Come on. So get in the zone. That's it, let's push. Halfway. 20 seconds to go then. Come on. Keep them deep. Last 10. Whoa. Jelly legs. Can't remember how much I did there. 34 or 43 I think it was. I'll go back and count and let you know in the comments. Yeah. Turn the timer off. Turn the music off. That's good. Nice, small, intense workout. Because you're constant, that's what you need if you're training in small time. Constant, just keep working on it. Intense. That was good. Let me know how you got on with that one. Good workout. Let me know if it's good to see me back. Like I said, during the workout, I'm going to bring one of these at home, small space bootcamp workouts every week to the YouTube channel. I'm going to drop a link in the description as well for you to have a cool down, have a stretch off, so you don't reduce the risk of injury for that. Yeah, and I'm going to put a link in the description for you to be able to sign up and get yourself a 12 recipe BBP recipe pack. All you need to do is jump over there and I'll send it straight to you. Hey guys, it's good to be back. Let me know how you got on with this workout. Let me know you finished score. Don't do what I did and forget. And yeah, it's good to be back. I'll see you in the next one.